I have 4 side hustles no one is talking about that could earn you up to $1,000 a week with almost no skill, and it doesn't take a lot of money to get started. All you have to do is choose one and execute. The first side hustle we are going to talk about today is trash can cleaning. After the garbage truck has come and emptied the trash can, there's always a lot of filth left over in the trash can. This stinks and can attract animals like cockroaches and rats, which can eventually find their way into your home. And this is where you come in. A lot of people don't know a service like this exists, and they will pay you really good money to clean your trash can once every month or once every week. Where I live, I've never seen anyone really do this, but I've seen people do this online and making a lot of money. They put flyers inside people's mailboxes and advertise for their business this way. I saw people on Facebook who didn't know this service existed, and they were really hyped about it and they were willing to pay good money for it. They didn't know it existed and they wished they knew sooner. The comments were also filled with people who were excited before this service, who also didn't know it existed. The best thing about this is that it doesn't cost much to start this business. You will need a pressure washer, which costs you around $75 to $150, and it's important that you buy some kind of pressure washer with a soap attachment at the front of the pressure washer, so you can spray the trash can with soap so it smells nice. You can buy a simple pressure washing soap on Amazon, for example, for around 20 bucks. And that's all the equipment you need for the first side hustle. So the next thing for this side hustle is to market your business. To make your company known, you can make flyers, which are really cheap to make, and put them in mailboxes of people around your town. Another way to market your business is by joining Facebook groups. There are a lot of Facebook groups with home improvement, etc. A Facebook group for people in your town, around your town, which you can join and market your business for free. So that's a free way of marketing your business, and the flyers will cost you around 20 bucks for 1,000 flyers. So you can go put your flyer in 1,000 home mailboxes for like 20 bucks. So that's a cheap option to market your business. So to start out with this side hustle, you don't need any skills at all. All you need is the simple equipment I just told about, and you can get started. So all the costs adding up it's around $100 to $200 to start the side hustle. So it doesn't take much money to get started. The best thing is you can easily make your money back and even make a profit within maybe a day. Let's say you charge around 40 bucks to clean someone's trash can, and let's say you can do 3 to 4 trash cans in 1 hour. That's already $160 in 1 hour. So you already made back the money you've invested in 1 hour. If you can keep that pace during a 5-hour shift, you can already make around $800 on a Saturday morning. And let's say you do it on Sunday also, that's another $800. That's $1,600 in 1 weekend. You could even expand your business by offering offices or supermarkets to clean their trash cans and containers, for example. Or you could even bring a friend in and you can clean the double the amount of containers and trash cans. And think about it, the money you earn with this side hustle can easily be the start of your investing journey, or multiple cash flows you need, or whatever. It will give you much more freedom with the money you have. So the second side hustle I'm going to recommend in this video is video editing. Whether it's TikTok, YouTube, or any other kind of video editing, there are a lot of creators out there who edit their videos for themselves, who don't have an editor. Take us for example, we run 3 TikTok accounts, 1 YouTube account, and we have our business, and we do all this by ourselves. We edit these videos ourselves, our TikTok videos, our YouTube videos, next to all the other activities we do for our business. So an editor may come in handy for someone like us. You can learn how to edit TikTok videos in like 10 minutes for free on YouTube. There are a lot of tutorials out there how to edit TikTok videos with CapCut, for example. All you have to do to learn this is search a YouTube video and invest some time in doing it. On the other hand, learning how to edit YouTube videos is a bit harder. It does take a bit more practice to learn and make a good edit for a video like this one. But on the other hand, it will earn you more money than editing a TikTok video. So it's up to you which one you'd like. To edit YouTube videos, there are a lot of free software out there, something like DaVinci, Resolve from Blackmagic, or anything else which you can start for free and use for free to start editing your YouTube videos for someone else. If you can save a creator some time by editing his YouTube or TikTok videos and give him a clear offer, something like, if I edit your videos, you will get 5,000 extra followers in the next month I edit for you. I can see a lot of creators saying yes to this offer. And something you can also offer for the person you are editing for is making YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts is getting very popular on YouTube right now, and if you can edit a TikTok video, you can do the exact same for a YouTube Short and also offer that in a package or something you want to give to the creator you are editing for. So we also have a TikTok video editor who makes ads for us. He earns about $12 per video, which takes him around maybe 10 minutes, I think. 10 minutes for $12. Edit a TikTok video. So you could easily earn the same or maybe something less, $8 or $10 a video you've edited. If you want to edit YouTube videos for someone, you need to search for a bigger creator than us. Not a small creator like us. He needs a little bit more subscribers, because as you can imagine, we have 40 something subscribers and we don't earn money with YouTube. But if you reach out to a bigger creator who already earns money with YouTube, you can save them time by editing their videos, and they can put more time into making new videos, which you can also edit. When you make a good offer for a bigger YouTube creator, you can easily earn $100 to $200 per edited video. And something that helps, if you already have a successful track record of growing people, editing, making nice edits, making nice TikTok videos or something like that, you can show that to the creator you are reaching out to as proof. Another thing you can do to monetize this skill is putting your skill up for sale on a Skillshare website, something like Fiverr or Skillshare. So that's another way you could monetize this skill you are going to learn or want to learn. The next and third side hustle we are going over is crypto trading or stock trading, trading in general. We think this is one or maybe the best side hustle you can get started with. With this one, it can grow into a full-time job, earning you as much as a full-time job every month while only working 1 to 2 or 3 hours a day maybe. But of course we are biased because this is what we do. This is what we do for a living. We trade based on technical analysis. We think this is the best thing you can learn to do also. As you might expect, most people are unfortunately led to believe that trading is a get-rich-quick scheme to effortlessly earn crazy profits and retire in maybe 5 years of trading. But I'm going to be honest with you guys. Learning how to trade and become profitable isn't easy. It isn't an overnight thing. There is no shortcut and it is not for everybody. But learning how to trade might be the best decision you will ever make in your life. You can learn how to trade besides your normal job. You don't have to quit your normal job or anything. And it can eventually lead to an extra income stream for you. It might even give you financial freedom, the time to travel the world if you want to, or maybe even spend more time with your family if that's what you are after. All the information you need to start learning trading is out there on the internet or in books if that's what you like, or you can combine both. So you can also learn this side hustle for free, but you do have to put in the time to do your research and learn and read and do all these things. It does take a lot of time, and that's why we made our trading and investing course for beginners. In this course we explain everything we know and we did to becoming a profitable trader, from the basic concepts and practical things you need to know to get started, to in-depth technical analysis. We cover it all in this course. So if you want to know more about this course, check out the link in the description and it will lead you to the website where you can learn more about it. So it will cost you $0 to get started with this side hustle, and the earning potential is just crazy. And there's something like compound interest which can occur in your account, and that will make the profits even crazier. We ourselves made trades with up to $12,000 profit in one trade. You hit that right, guys. $12,000 profit with one trade. And you can learn how to do that too. It just takes time and effort, guys. So the fourth and last side hustle we are talking about is dropshipping. Dropshipping is making a big comeback this year as people are starting to understand the potential of TikTok, organic and TikTok ads. You can make your product go viral on TikTok for free, for absolutely $0 if you make the right video. I think we all know what dropshipping is, and we ourselves made our first big profits with one company with dropshipping. But for the people who don't know what dropshipping is, here is a short explanation. With dropshipping, you sell products online, but you are not holding any inventory. You don't have to worry about holding your inventory, fulfilling orders. Instead, you partner with a supplier who does all the logistics for you. You simply create an online store, find products you want to sell, and when an order comes in, you simply pass the customer's information to the supplier. And the supplier then directly ships your product over to the customer. You can use platforms like Shopify to make your first online store, and you can connect with suppliers through AliExpress or Alibaba or a Chinese product website. Dropshipping basically has three pros. The first pro is low startup cost. Since a store doesn't need to purchase inventory up front, the startup costs are relatively low. You only need to pay for a website hosting subscription and buy the product yourself so you can make videos and images for your website. The second pro is that it's easy to scale. As the business grows, a company can easily add products to its inventory to the website, but you don't need to buy any inventory, or you don't need to worry about any more shipping or something like that. You can reinvest the profits you make into TikTok ads or a professional video of the product or something. If you reinvest your profits into TikTok ads, even more people will see your product and even more people will buy it if you know you have a winning product on your hands. And of course, when more people buy it, more money will come in if you do it correctly. And pro number 3 is it is all easy to find information. It's super easy to find information about dropshipping online. YouTube and TikTok are great platforms to gain knowledge on how to set up your store and how to market your product correctly. Literally all the information you need to start with dropshipping is out there on the internet. Maybe even 1 hour long YouTube video. If you want us to make a video about it, comment down below and we will also make an in-depth video about dropshipping and how to get started, how to advertise your products, how to make your store, how to even choose a product you want to sell. So there's absolutely no need to buy a $400 course to learn dropshipping. So one quick way to finding winning products is to go over to Amazon and look at their popular products. These are products that are popular on Amazon and are being bought a lot, so you know there is demand for a product like that. Additionally, you can go over to Google Trends, type in your product and see how many people are searching for it. If the search volume is low all year round, it probably isn't going to be a very good product. But if the search volume is higher all year round, you probably have a winning product on your hands. These days it's very possible to start dropshipping without paid ads. We call this organic dropshipping. You can create ads for your products yourself, put them on Instagram, put them on TikTok, and just put as many videos out there until one of the videos goes viral. Then you can redirect those people to your website through a link in bio and people will buy the product. To know what works and what doesn't, you can look up organic marketing strategies or just scroll through TikTok with hashtag TikTok made me buy it or something like that. You know, These are people who post videos about the product they bought through TikTok. For things like product description and product names, you can just use ChatGPT to make a attracting name for a product and attracting description for a product. So with all the opportunities there are in 2023, there is no reason for you to not make $1,000 extra per week with one of these side hustles. In this video I laid out 4 side hustles, but there are plenty more if you get creative. There is so much opportunity in this year if you just look for it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys can do me a favor and place a comment down below with one of the 4 side hustles that is most interesting to you, and let me know why. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.